Just one drop is enough to keep the glass shelves in your fridge clean, free from steam, stains, and streaks for an entire year. This trick really makes life easier because you can postpone cleaning your fridge. From time to time, you only need to remove crumbs. Nothing will stick anymore and steam won't settle, even if you're searching inside for a long time. It's one of the simplest and most effective methods you can try. Next time you clean, empty the fridge, take out the shelves, wash them thoroughly, and dry them. When the glass is completely dry, take a soft cloth and a tiny bit of glycerin, literally 1 or 2 drops. You can find glycerin in drugstores, and a small bottle lasts a very long time. Polish both sides of the shelves until the liquid disappears and the glass looks dry again. From that moment, the shelves won't fog up, and spilled liquids won't stick. A quick wipe will be enough, no scrubbing or removing needed. The thin glycerin layer acts like an invisible protective shield, making your fridge look freshly cleaned all the time. It's a simple trick that works like professional cleaning.